up, gamers?
What's
Welcome
up?
to December 18th of our Advent Calendar series.
And if you want to hashtag dab on all those epic gamer moments, be sure to snap that subscribe button so you can watch these every day. So you can watch them every day.
Sometime Central Time.
Sometime.
Also, Noah's not here because he's still sleeping. It is 4 p.m.
What time is it?
4 p.m. Noah finished his schoolwork, so there's no excuse for him not to be here.
Yeah.
But he's at his house asleep at 4 p.m. So that's cool. He's not here.
But if you want to know
Spam his Instagram feed.
what this advent calendar is, it's a series of giant compartments where we open them, and in each compartment is 5 gifts for 5 children.
Or sometimes combined gifts.
Let's get right on to number 18.
Look at Micah.
A shopping cart high chair cover for Luca. If you don't know that shopping carts are very disgusting and everyone touches them. It's a little thing that you put in a shopping cart to prevent the germs of other children
And
on
other people's
shopping
hands.
carts and hands. This was sent to us by Itsy Ritzy, so thanks Itsy Ritzy, free product. Okay, let's go ahead and peep at what's inside here. The first thing is a bell. Now I've been told, us three, Noah's not here, also have a big gift as well as Micah. So we have 2 big gifts that require this bell. So let's get right on into it. Whoa! Now that is epic. What this seems to be, what it appears to be in my eyeballs, is a whole pony cycle. If you've never heard of the pony cycle, it's a little product that packs a lot of punch. So you ride around on a pony.
Thank you to Pony Cycle for the free product. Wow, that is a large horse.
I got the pony cycle. How do I turn it on?
Here, Micah, do this.
He's not tall enough.
He's
He's too short.
Drive, Shosha.
What's Shosha supposed to do? He wants to run into it. All right, next item.
Whoa! It's the Mobo!
The Mobo, cruising style.
It's a 4-wheeled bicycle, I think.
No, it's 3.
It's a
Try it.
3-wheeled bicycle.
You don't want to try
Yes,
these?
I know. I meant 3.
Thank you to Mobo for the free product.
Inside of this little package we got from Mobo, it says, something there. We got a sticker. Wow. A little note that says thank you in a bunch of different languages. Thank you for purchasing our new Mobo Cruiser. I don't know if we purchased it, but this one, we got knockoff Markiplier and someone. And then we got Mobo Cruising Style. Welcome to the Mobo family. Instructions and instructions. Thank you, Mobo, for the free product. Let's go ahead and go vroom vroom drive around.
On the Triton.
Probably.
It does drive really well in our driveway. That's good. Whoa, he's doing it! He's doing it!
Good job, Micah. You're doing it. You gotta
keep doing
bounce.
it. Keep
Bounce.
doing
Bouncy, bouncy.
Keep doing it. Bounce.
Good job, Micah. Look out for Micah.
That is it for episode 18. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Follow us on Twitter. And see you later, alligator.
Bye.
Forgot my outro there for a moment.
And I'm gonna be Noah.
See you next time, YouTube.
Next time.
Alright, click these rectangles, watch videos, click the circle, subscribe. We had a lot of fun on the Triton.
And the pony cycle.
Woo!
Thanks.